Good morning. Welcome to UAR Mathematics. I am UAR as a math teacher. Now we will learn the chapter trigonometry. Today we will learn about questions based on trigonometric ratios. త్రికోణమితి నిష్పత్తుల విలువల మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయో ఈరోజు మనం చూద్దాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ 3 tan theta is equal to 4, then find cos theta and cosec theta. 3 tan theta is equal to 4 అయినా cos theta యొక్క విలువ మరియు cosec theta విలువని కనుగొనము. Given 3 tan theta is equal to 4. Here tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Then you can find the cos theta and cosec theta. Now we draw the right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. The right angle is at B. So opposite B is hypotenuse, shortly HYP, and then we can take theta at A. So this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. బీకి ఎదురుగా ఉన్నదాన్ని కర్ణమని, తీటా అనేది ఏ వద్ద తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి బీసీ అనేది ఎదురు భుజము, ఏబి ప్రక్క భుజము అవుతాయి. సో గివెన్ tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. The definition of tan is the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. ఎదుటి భుజానికి ప్రక్క భుజానికి గల నిష్పత్తిని tan theta అంటాం. We can write shortly TOI. T means tan, O means opposite, and A means adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite is BC, adjacent side is AB, that is equal to 4 by 3. Opposite side is equal to BC is equal to here 4K. K belongs to N, that means you can take any positive numbers. AS is equal to, that is AB is equal to 3K. Here K belongs to N, that is natural numbers. So BC and AB are substitute the diagram. This is 4K, this is 3K. So we required AC, that is hypotenuse. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏసీని కర్ణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. బై పైథాగరస్ థీరం, we know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. కర్ణము యొక్క వర్గము మిగిలినటువంటి రెండు భుజాల యొక్క వర్గము యొక్క మొత్తానికి సమానం. We required AC square. AC AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. Here AB and BC are substituted in the equation. That is equal to AB means 3K whole square plus BC means 4K whole square. That is equal to 3K square, 9K square plus 16K square. Here AC is equal to 9K square plus 16K square, that is equal to 25K square, that is root of. So 25 can written as 5K whole square, that is square root of. Square and root cancel. AC is equal to 5K. So we find out the hypotenuse. మనం కర్ణాన్ని కనుక్కున్నాం. That is 5K. 5K is substituted in the figure. This is 5K. Next, we required cos theta. Cos theta. The definition of cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. ప్రక్కభుజానికి కర్ణానికి గల నిష్పత్తిని మనం కాస్గా రాస్తాం. సో హియర్ AB by AC, that is equal to 3K by 5K. KK get cancelled, that is equal to 3 by 5. And find cosec theta. So cosec theta, that is shortly CSC theta, that is equal to, the definition of cosec is the ratio of hypotenuse and opposite side. కర్ణానికి ఎదుటి భుజానికి గల నిష్పత్తిని మనం cosec theta అంటాం. Here AC by BC, that is equal here. AC is 5K, BC is 4K, KK get cancelled, that is equal to 5 by 4. Let us see another examples. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3, then find sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. ఈ సమ్మలో tan A యొక్క విలువ √3 ఇచ్చారు. మనం sin A cos C plus cos A sin C ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ గివెన్. tan A is equal to √3 by 1. You take 1. So the definition of tan is, it is shortly toy. That is T means tan, O means opposite side, A means adjacent side. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Tan A is equal to, so we draw the right angle triangle. So A, B, C is a right angle triangle. The right angle is at B. It is hypotenuse. First of all, we take theta at A. This is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So the given values tan A is equal to root 3 by 1. So root 3 is here and 1 is here. Root 3k and 1k. So tan A is equal to BC by AB. That is equal to root 3 by 1. Here opposite side is equal to BC, that is equal to root 3k, and adjacent side is equal to AB, that is equal to 1k. So the value of BC and AB are substituted in the diagram. BC is equal to 3k, AB is equal to 1k. So we can find out AC by Pythagoras theorem. We know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We required AC. AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. So here AB is equal to 1k, BC is equal to root kk. These two values are substituted in the equation. So 1k whole square plus root 3k whole square. That is equal to k square plus 3k square. So AC is equal to root 4k square, that is equal to 2k whole square, square root of square and root cancel, that is equal to AC is equal to 2k. So we know the value of hypotenuse. కర్ణమ యొక్క విలువ మనకి తెలిసింది. That is equal to 2k. So 2k is substituted in that place. So we know 3 sides. Then you can find sin A. So sin A is equal to the BC by AC. BC by AC. The definition of sin is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. That is equal to root 3k by 2k, kk cancel, root 3 by 2. And the value of sin C. So we can take theta at C. C దగ్గర మనం theta తీసుకుందాం. This is the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse. So sin C is equal to here AB by AC. సో మనం C దగ్గర theta తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇది ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది, ఎదుటి భుజం అవుతుంది, కర్ణం అనేది మార్పు ఉండదు. That is equal to 1k by 2k, kk get cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. And cos A is equal to, so here we can take theta at A. So this is adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to AB by AC, that is equal to 1k by 2k, k get cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. The value of cos A is equal to 1 by 2. Cos C is equal to BC by AC. So the definition of cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. But here adjacent side is BC. BC by AC. That is equal to root 3 k by 2k. K get cancelled. That is equal to root 3 by 2. So sin A is equal to root 3 by 2, sin C is equal to 1 by 2, cos A is equal to 1 by 2, cos C is equal to root 3 by 2 from the figure. So then we can find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. That is equal to sin A cos C plus cos A and sin C. So these values are substitute. ఆ యొక్క విలువల్ని మనం దీనిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుందాం. sin A is equal to root 3 by 2 into sin C is equal to, it is also root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus cos A is equal to 1 by 2 and sin C is equal to, it is also 1 by 2. So sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So sin A is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos C is also root 3 by 2 plus cos A is equal to 1 by 2, sin C is equal to 1 by 2. Then you can simplify. Root 3 into root 3, that is 3 by 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 4. Here 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 4. Because the denominators are equal, we can add the numerators. That is equal to 1. So the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C యొక్క value 1 అవుతుంది. You can try the remaining questions. Thank you.